Meaning of Jacksonian democracy.
Jacksonian democracy.
Jacksonian democracy.
Jacksonian democracy.
Jacksonian democracy. Jacksonian democracy refers to a political movement in the United States during the early 19th century that was led by President Andrew Jackson. This movement sought to expand democratic participation in American politics, particularly by working-class white men who had previously been excluded from the political process. Jacksonian democracy was characterized by a belief in the importance of individual liberty and limited government, as well as a distrust of established elites and a commitment to expanding suffrage. It also involved a populist appeal to the common people, with Jackson presenting himself as a champion of the common man. However, it's worth noting that Jacksonian democracy was also marked by some troubling aspects, including support for slavery and forced relocation of Native Americans from their ancestral lands. Nonetheless, the movement had a significant impact on American politics and helped to shape the country's democratic traditions.